Yeah.
Turn on the fan. You turn on the fan?
I have no idea though.
It's a switch right there. Up there. On the steps. So hot. Oh, the light just comes on. Can you try the fan pole train?
Okay. What was the problem? Any problem with being here?
I think so.
Wanna turn on? Wanna turn on?
So they won't be out of here.
Hi. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just taking a
I
picture.
remember you from last year. You like the fans.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you mind if we pull the chain?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, how do we?
Remind me, what's your name?
Logan.
Logan, that's right.
Oh, I just turned it off. Yeah.
That's a light. Yeah, hit that pole train right there.
This one?
No, not that one. There's one up there.
Oh, the short.
The short
Yeah,
one, of
the
course.
short one. There you go. Nice fan.
Am I in your way?
No, they're fine. Feel a little breeze.
I know.
It's a nice fan. Turn to medium, please.
There's a speed setting too?
Yeah. This is made at Lowe's. This is probably like a 2007 version or 2009
How can you tell?
because of the housing. Turn to low, please. Control chain there. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, all these fans are actually made at Lowe's. The one in here, the 2 by the pavilion's made at Home Depot.
I mean, they're sold there.
Yeah. Now turn it off, please. Got a little bit of a demonstration. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah,